website. Mornings 6 to 10 on 97.1 Amp Radio. All right, tomorrow's looking good. More social network Blu-ray DVDs and Blu-ray players. Plus the daily download at 7 and 9 a.m. It's the top 5 most downloaded songs in all of SoCal. Another iPad, of course, tomorrow morning. iPad tag at 8:10. And the most in the morning. Amp Radio.
Since 1975, millions have come from all over the globe. Now this Sunday morning at 5 a.m., rain or shine, George Cross and Sons returns to Fairfax and Pomona with the West Coast's largest Pomona swap meet and classic car show. Over 2,000 vendors have tons of hard-to-find car parts and accessories at low swap meet prices. Thousands of original and restored Corvettes, Porsches, Street Rods, Volkswagen, and free 1975 classic cars will be on display and for sale. If you'd like to buy a classic car or if you have one to sell, come to Fairfax and Pomona this Sunday from 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. Bring in the whole family for a great day. Admission is still only $8 for adult. Children of 12 and under free. Drive into the free 1931 stock motor car and admission is free. Visit our website at PomonaSwapMeet.com. Come to buy, come to sell, come to look. The West Coast's largest Pomona swap meet and classic car show starts at 5 a.m. this Sunday at Fairfax in Pomona. Get pizza at $5 pizza deal by texting the words Pizza Hut to 30364.
I'm all about free access. Stock up, save money, and simplify.
Member Renee Bouvier on the Sam's Club January stock up event.
I stock up now and save big on the basics we use all the time. Detergent, numerous towels.
Health and beauty products too. Save local retail with brands like Tide, Bounty, and Colgate. And sample all the Sam's Club Bounty limited event January 12th and 25th with no membership required. Remember, join the Sam's Club at Sam's Club by calling Sam's Club. Welcome to Metro USA. It's nationwide. Population 280 million people. An incredible, unprecedented land where people nationwide can talk all they want, text all they could possibly imagine, and surf the web to their heart's content, all without paying a dime over $40 a month, taxes and regulatory fees included, and all thanks to Metro PCS. Metro USA is open to home. The only requirement is the common sense it takes to leave your old oppressive wireless home and save big by moving to a better place. A place where 280 million people, that's 90% of the country, are covered in the awesomeness of Metro PCS's nationwide coverage. Coverage that's nationwider than ever. Move to Metro USA today. Bring your family, bring your friends, and leave behind that new contract. Metro PCS. Nationwide, rural, services and features subject to change. Some limits along with fulfillment required in the U.S. and Puerto Rico. Visit a Metro PCS store or MetroPCS.com for specific terms and conditions. In business, words are words and promises are promises. But only performance is reality. That's why Epson delivers the ultimate in grid performance with the Workforce Security Series.
$10. $10.99.
10 pages and 40 cents. And they deliver the outstanding shipping quality.
Anything else?
More than 200 full suite with the Workforce 630 series from Epson.
Find your deals on an Epson Workforce printer at Staples, Office Depot, Best Buy, and Epson.com. Jumpstart your New Year's Day. Only till Wednesday, showing Planet Fitness for just $1 down and $4 per month with no commitment. Planet Fitness available. Free freezer on 1620 West Swan or 2280 Eastern Boulevard. Online at planetfitness.com.
Thank you very much for changing. You have a good one.
Thank you. Feliz. Bem feliz? Porra dessas luvas aí, meu Deus. Agora dá pra causar, né?